Hello, let me show you a little bit of this new packing. I have finally my suitcases from Rome, the check luggage and the carry-on. In this trip, I'm going to Italy, to the girls only trip, and I'm carrying in the carry-on all the group backpack and t-shirts. So this basically, it is all gifts, everything that I'm going to give away. Some gifts and everything. Oh, because this is my carry-on, definitely this cannot get lost, cannot be delayed. So I added here a couple of things. My pajamas, just a nice gown, and some of the, oh, and this is my outfit for the day of arrival dinner. So that way I am prepared. Here's the pantsuit that I'm wearing, a little bit gifts, candies. So the carry-on will be completely empty for my return, for all the goodies that I can bring. So here's my backpack, which is a very, very huge. It's a big, big size. And I wanted to show you here, I also told you I put my outfit. So these are my wedges. I take them with me, very light. My purse, which always with me as well. This is a t-shirt in case I get cold because I plan to wear a tank top, and a lot of the packing stuff, but this is for my groups. So you don't need to pack all of this. It's just because I'm working and I'm taking everything with me. In the side zippers, I always take my handy dandy toothbrush. And in the other pocket, I do have the compression socks. The back areas for the laptop, and the backpack is pretty light. I don't, well, I still have to put my carry-on makeup, etc. So I want to show you, I did the packing for the suitcase. So you see the flower one is my cosmetic bags with everything from cleaning products for my face. Then, as you always know, I pack all my underwear in this beautiful tied bag. I know it's for washing underwear, but I love it because I can fit everything in there and make it for my hat so it doesn't get too smashed. Night outfits, scarves, and things like that. I was able to pack in the huge cube. So remember, this is a check luggage, so that is a big cube. But I was able to pack 9 outfits. 9 outfits. 3 for Rome, 3 for Tuscany, 3 for Sorrento. Again, my cosmetic bags. Here I have a raincoat. They said my rain. Sandals and a hat. And tennis shoes. So I have total of 5 pairs. I have a flat sandals, kind of like a Skechers sandals, 2 pair of tennis, white and black, and the wedges black. So 5 in total. You will see my outfits on my website. So here is that bag, pretty loose. Everything is really pretty good. I'll let you know how many pounds. That cube is for my sports. So I have a bathing suit, cover up, tank tops, 2 outfits to work out, shorts and sports bras, and you will see, you name it, I have it. And then that is the packaging for what I plan to bring when I return. I will let you know when I post this video what was the weight, but since this is a trip in September to Italy, we don't need a whole lot, no jackets. So I'm very happy because all this packing is pretty compact. All right, I'll give you more tips. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye, amigos.